Lot of migrants from all over the state want to go home, and on Monday, hundreds gathered outside North Goa Collector's office, feared by a rumor, upset, scared, and even belligerent to some extent. Super cyclonic storm to make landfall over West Bengal, Bangladesh. However, Goa safe, could only get some light rain. Goa cases spiked, tally of 36 as a surge of 17 positive cases reported in a single day after many train passengers found positive. Total cases now 43. India slowly but surely inclining towards the 1 lakh mark. Students' Union wants to go on hunger strike to force government to postpone HSSC SSC exams. Police crackdown guard them off. I'm Anjali, and now the news in detail. Corona clouds have darkened over Goa. No doubt the lockdown is in force along with Section 144, but people are seen on the streets as if there is no tomorrow, even after 7 p.m. Also, in many places, no social distancing is maintained. Goa 365 took a look at some instances in Goa. Here's more.
Kolwa locals are following social distancing strictly. Few people are seen in the shops, titos and the beaches. The lockdown have made adverse impact on all affairs. A trader from Kolwa narrates the situation in lockdown period. Watch.
Taxi drivers, shop owners, everybody is affected. सगळ्यांकूच मार लागला. कोणो ऐसो मनीस ना जे लॉकडाउन माल पडला. सगळ्यांकू माल पडला. गवर्नमेंट टुरिझम केस को वाडिलो. आमगे कोलवा सर्कलार आसता 12 पुलीस. टुरिस्ट पुलीस आहा तेंका सगळे टुरिस्टांक पयलीं फायन मारतात. तेंका कडेन पयशे घेतात. आणि तुम्ही टुरिझम वाडयतले कशें? वॉट पॉलिसी द गवर्नमेंट हॅज टू इनक्रीज टुरिझम? So we are from the tourism sector. I have water sports, I have restaurants, I have shacks, I have boat building business that I build for the tourists. Now my entire business is shut down. Now my only business is selling fish. I'm selling fish now.
However, markets in Margaon and Kumkolim were chaotic. People were seen crowding each others. Some people were seen wearing and others didn't care to put a mask on their face. No such thing as social distancing was seen in these markets. Migrant workers also gathered in large numbers opposite collector building in Panji, demanding to send them back home. They were not listening to the police.
बैठे रहिए, पीछे जाए सारे, सेफ डिस्टेंस बनाओ,
जो
और शांतता रखो. हमें पता है आपको भी घर जाने की उम्मीद है, अपने घर वालों को मिलने के लिए आप तरस रहे हैं. हमें पता है, हमारी तरफ से जितनी कोशिश बन रही है हम कर रहे हैं.
Ramesh Naik Raut, Amar Chauriya, Irshad Sheikh and Aniket Narvekar for Goa 365 from Margaon and Panji.
21 passengers came from Delhi in Rajdhani Express. The train then proceeded to Trivandrum. The passengers were ferried off by bus to be tested. A train will also leave for MP to ferry out migrants in the evening.
These trains have been coming for the past couple of days. Now the government has asked for these trains to not halt at Goa due to the large number of passengers found positive.
See, today the train from Delhi to Trivandrum reached exactly in time, and 21 passengers alighted from the train, and all of them have paid their fees without any hassles, and now they'll be taken to the district hospital for preliminary testing, and after the test they will be put in a hotel till the report comes from the medical report comes, and only as per the report they'll be allowed to go home, and accordingly the distance.
So any more trains going to come today?
No more trains. No more trains. One train is leaving to MP at 7 o'clock from the station. It is Shramik Express for migrant laborers.
Sandeep Tuenkar for Goa 365 from Margaon.
Goa has reported 36 active cases of COVID-19 as of now. A huge surge of 17 positive cases were reported in a single day after train passengers were tested and some found positive. The total cases have now reached 43. On the other hand, India is slowly inching towards the 1 lakh mark.
Health Minister Vishwajit Rane said that 2 more passengers from the Goa train were tested positive and one lady arrived in the state quarantined at Vasco was also tested positive, taking the total to 36. Earlier, 11 more passengers who arrived in train from Mumbai on Sunday were also tested positive. Also, another 4 passengers from Mumbai also tested positive. Samples of remaining passengers are being tested and numbers might increase, authorities say. A bigger single-day jump of 5,000 COVID-19 cases were reported in India. In last 24 hours, around 120 deaths were reported and almost 2,571 patients have recovered. India has reported 96,927 COVID-19 positive cases till date, and the active cases have crossed 55,000 mark. 3,029 deaths are reported and 36,284 patients have recovered. Maharashtra is leading with 33,053 cases, followed by Gujarat 11,379, Tamil Nadu 11,224 and Delhi 10,054 cases. More than 1 lakh COVID-19 cases were reported worldwide in single day. The COVID-19 cases have crossed 48 lakhs, 3.16 lakh deaths are reported and more than 18.64 lakhs have recovered. Bureau Report, Goa 365.
We will take a short break. Stay with us. Welcome back. Lockdown 4.0 is in force and Ministry of Home Affairs have laid certain guidelines for the people which would be strictly followed during the lockdown. The lockdown will continue till 31st of May. Here are the details.
Lockdown 4.0 guidelines. Here's what is closed. Domestic international flights except for medical emergencies. School, colleges, educational institutes, coaching classes. Metro rail services. Multiplexes, malls, gyms, swimming pools, restaurants, bars. Social, political, entertainment, sports gathering. Religious places, places of worship. Movement of people between 7 p.m. and 7 a.m. except essential services. Movement of 65-year-old below 10 years old pregnant woman. Here's what is allowed. Food takeaway, sports stadium without spectators, interstate movement of vehicles, intrastate movement of passenger vehicles, all types of interstate goods, cargo vehicles. Samip Narvekar for Goa 365.
A lot of migrants from all over the state want to go home. Hundreds of them gathered outside North Goa Collector's office demanding that they be sent home. It was almost like a herd mentality as some threatened to take law into their own hands.
However, the authorities managed to defuse the situation. Additional Collector Shashank Tripathi also asked them to reconsider as a lot of activities were restarting in the state.
And when the trains are scheduled here, we are collecting data. We have already collected the data of migrant laborers and other people who are stranded here in Goa who would want to go. And as and when the train's information is received by us, we send SMSs or make calls to those people who have registered with us to come to the railway station at a particular point of time. And that is how it has been organized in the last few trains also. The train to Jammu Kashmir, the train to Himachal, the train to Una and all these places. Yesterday also one train left to Madhya Pradesh. Today there is a train to Madhya Pradesh. So as and when we get the information, we are passing it on to the public. So but till then, they don't have to panic here. Till now we have taken care of all the facilities. So we don't have to, my only request to all the people is that they should not really panic. Things are coming back to normalcy here. Lots of work have started. Construction related activities have started. So people can actually, like one gentleman told, one laborer in fact told that we just wants to go back to be with his family. We are also trying to appeal to the people that please think once more. If things have started, construction activities and all have started, they can actually start working here. They can always, inquire about the well-being of their family members over phone and all. At least if they start working, they can earn for their family, and that there would be some sort of livelihood. If they go back, because most of them are saying that they want to come back also. that would be again difficulty once you go and you come back. So whoever have informed us, we have called there and we have made this abundantly clear that people cannot be forced to pay rents and all. That government has also taken a clear stand also, right? So people who are having difficulties, they come to us, they approach us, we are going to help them. We are doing that as well. So जिन को खाने का दिक्कत हो रहा है, rent का दिक्कत हो रहा है, we are trying to solve those issues. So no need to panic as such.
The migrants and the authorities had a discussion of the various issues faced by them. Tripathi spoke to them and assured them that their issues would be looked into. But he warned that they should not try and take matters into their own hands, especially as they had expressed their wish to come back to Goa to work.
एक काम करो, सुनो, एक काम करो, सारे आप कहाँ से हो? वेस्ट बंगाल, खड़े हो जाओ, आपके पीछे वेस्ट बंगाल की कतार लगाओ.
तो आप अपना डिटेल्स दे दो, डिटेल्स हम रजिस्टर करके स्टेट वाइज कौन सा स्टेट का कहाँ है करके वो आप सब डिटेल्स हम ले लेंगे. उसके बाद जब जैसे ट्रेन आएगा आपको मैसेज आ जाएगा आपके पास. जैसे एक दो ट्रेन जा रहा है अभी, आप अपना रजिस्ट्रेशन करेंगे अभी फिर से आप अपना डिटेल्स दे दो. डिटेल्स देने के बाद आप अपने घर वापस चले जाना. हम आपको SMS भेज देंगे जब ट्रेन आएगा तब ना. आगे भी दिक्कत नहीं होगी. यहाँ पे थोड़ा सब्र रख के अब रहो इधर, ठीक है? नहीं, एक बात बताओ यार. ट्रेन हमने शुरू कर दिया, चलो ये सब कोविड नहीं, ट्रेन शुरू हो गई. आप लोग अपने हिसाब से टिकट बुक करके जाओगे. ट्रेन में टिकट नहीं तो क्या करोगे? जब ट्रेन अगले ट्रेन का वेट करोगे कि नहीं? वेट करोगे ना. तो ये भी ऐसा ही है. तो इसमें आप लोग अलग से क्यों सोच रहे हो? कब जाएंगे वो भी मैंने जैसे तब से बोल रहा हूँ भाई. मैं फिर से तुम्हें रिपीट कर देता हूँ, आप लोग सुन लो. एक ट्रेन आएगा, आप 10,000 लोग हो, 10,000 जा सकते हो नहीं ना. जिनको पहले टिकट मिला वो जाएगा, उसके बाद अगले टाइम में दूसरा बैच जाएगा. आप थोड़ा कृपया करके पीछे जाओ. इन्फॉर्मेशन हमने ले लिया आप लोगों के सबसे, ठीक है? तो फिर से आपको इन्फॉर्मेशन देना है तो हम काउंटर सेटअप करेंगे. आप उसमें फिर से इन्फॉर्मेशन दे सकते हैं. हाँ, देख लिया मैंने, कितने बार दिखा रहे हो. हाँ, तो समझ में आ गया मुझे, समझ गया, ठीक है? तो अब आपको इन्फॉर्मेशन देना है तो आप दे के जा सकते हो. ऑलरेडी आपने फॉर्म जमा किया है तो थोड़ा वेट करो. आपको बुलाया जाएगा जब ट्रेन होगी, व्यवस्था यहाँ पे, तब ट्रेन आएगी, आपको SMS आएगा तो कॉल करके बुला दिया जाएगा, ठीक है? सही तरीके से समझ लो. ऐसा आके भीड़ इकट्ठा करने होने से कुछ नहीं फायदा होगा. मैं मतलब एक्शन लेना पड़ेगा मुझे, ठीक है? ये भी आप समझ लो. बार आके इधर, अगर मैंने इधर नेक्स्ट टाइम इधर देखा तो मैं आप लोगों को कैंसिल ही करा दूंगा. मैं ये बोल रहा हूँ.
Irshad Sheikh and Aniket Narvenkar for Goa 365 from Panji.
Congress Students Wing NSUI tried to go on a hunger strike in protest against holding SSC and HSSC exams. First outside CM's bungalow, then at Azad Maidan. However, the corps did not allow them to hold the protest at both the places.
The NSUI pointed out that corona cases are rising in Goa and asked if the Chief Minister would take responsibility if any of the students get infected. They alleged that the government is risking the lives of the children holding exams during the coronavirus outbreak. Later, NSUI activists were detained by the police.
This is a kind request again to the CM of Goa. Postpone the examinations. Postpone kara examinations. Because the coronavirus is spreading. आज सकाळी आम्ही पहिला की 31 cases वाढल्या. 31 cases in a state of Goa, in a small state of Goa is not a joke. आज सुद्धा 31 cases असतात, 31 active cases. Community spread जातले. कोर्टान पहिली दिलेली decision.
Now today we have 31 active cases. And this is really fishy that why at such a point the CM is not cancelling the examination. States like Chhattisgarh, Madhya Pradesh and Punjab have cancelled the exam. Chhattisgarh has even promoted the students. From class 1 to 12, the students are promoted. Goa is a very small state having only few number of students comparatively. We are not saying promote the students, we are saying cancel the examination. And at this point when the CM is not ready to cancel the examination, this looks very fishy. This looks like there is some scam that is going to happen.
We are pleading from the student community, from the parents, from everyone, from the entire Goa, we are pleading. If you see the entire social media, it is filled with requests that please do not have examination. So from the community, I am pleading to the CM, to whoever, you are a doctor, please try to understand. Please try to understand that this is not the time that we need to have exam. Today, time and again the cases are increasing. When we get up in the morning, पहले 500 cases vatta. So this means that there is a spread, and we never know there is a community spread. So Goa is not a green zone. Right now it is not a green zone according to us, and the CM has to take a decision. If the CM feels that it is a green zone, why was not there an assembly session in this assembly session should have been possible. The MLAs are scared, the CM itself is scared. If you go to see his press briefing, most of his press briefings are at Zoom call. He is not even calling his press to the home. This is the reality. I am asking the CM today, sitting here at Azad Maidan in Panjim, in the capital, I am asking the CM that is he ready? Give it in writing that he is ready to say that there will be no community spread, there will be no student who has virus. And if there is even a single student that gets the virus, he is ready to resign. Let him say it. Come up in the open and say it. Is he ready to say it? No. If he is not ready to say it, he does not have the right to send these students.
Irshad Sheikh for Goa 365 from Panji.
We will take a short break. Stay with us. Welcome back. A cyclonic storm is developing into a super cyclonic storm over Bay of Bengal. The cyclone is likely to make a landfall between West Bengal and Bangladesh coast. Goa is unlikely to be affected much. It could receive light scattered showers over the next 2 days.
Goa is likely to see a delayed onset of monsoon this year. Kerala, which sees the onset of monsoon a week before Goa, is expected to see rain around 4th of June.
As on today, 18th of May, the cyclonic storm Amphan, which is pronounced as Amphan, is over Bay of Bengal, and it has strengthened further into the category of super cyclonic storm. That means the sustaining wind speeds of that cyclone is around 220 kilometers per hour. Now IMD has forecasted that this cyclone is going to move north of northwestward towards the coast of West Bengal and Bangladesh, and it will have a landfall over the region between Bangladesh and West Bengal. So its impact over Goa is minimal, as the system mainly is in the Bay of Bengal. It will have very less impact on Goa as of present observations. And what we are seeing is that only some winds of the speed of around 20 to 25 km per hour experienced over Goa because of this system, this severe cyclone or the super cyclone that is there in the Bay of Bengal. We are going to experience maybe in the coming 2 days is some light rainfall only. So IMD has issued a forecast of light rain or thunder showers at isolated places.
Video journalist Irshad Sheikh for Goa 65 from Panji.
Seamen's wives have demanded that the sailors coming back should not be quarantined any further in Goa, as they have already undergone quarantine. And in case they are quarantined, it should not be paid, they say. Ironically, one of the seafarers were tested positive after finishing quarantine in Mumbai.
Some seafarers' wives along with some seamen met at Chinchini Church on Sunday and discussed the issue of their husbands not being allowed to come home. They were also sore over the decision of seamen being sent to Mumbai for quarantine.
दोन्ही मागणी आहाय गव्हर्मेंटा कडेन पेड क्वॉरंटायन जे ते म्हणटाय ते रिवोक करपाचे आनी दुसरे म्हणटाय ते सगळे आमगे गोंयकार म्हणटाय ते सगळे गोंया डिसेंबराक जावपाचे पोर्टान जावं वो चार्टर फ्लायट आतां मुगे भाव आनी मुगे घो ऑलरेडी 2 मंथ्स जाले ते क्वॉरंटायन आहाय ते ऑलरेडी इतू स्ट्रेसान वयताय की ते सदां फोन करून ते स्ट्रेसफूल आहाय म्हणजे आमकांय हें जाता की तें कितें जाय तें कितें करीत म्हूण ते म्हणटाय कितें जाता हिंगा गोंया आजून एक्शन कित्याक घेयनाय आनी ऑलरेडी तांकां आतां म्हणटाय की हिंगा आतां गव्हर्मेंट हितून 14 days क्वॉरंटायन म्हणटाय मागीर हावस क्वॉरंटायन आपोवप 14 म्हणटाय ऑलरेडी ते हितू माग क्वॉरंटायन जायत आहाय हिंगा गोवा कोण क्वॉरंटायन जावं नाय तितूले ते क्वॉरंटायन जालो आहाय हां ते हितू सेफ ते हितू प्रिकॉशन घेताय तेंगे बोटीचेरी 2 times टेम्परेचर चेक तेंगे जेवण तेंगेले सगळे तेंगे रुमान येत दिताय आनी प्लस आतां ते बोट याटाय आनी बॉम्बे तेंगा डिसेंबर कोताय थिंगसोन ट्रॅवल जाता सो ते चान्सीस हाय ते रेड झोना बॉम्बे इज ऑलरेडी अ रेड झोन आनी रेड झोनांतल्यान ते हिंग येताय म्हळ्यार ते इन्फेक्टेड जावपाचे तूं चान्सीस आसाय.
With regards to the other fleet, that is the tankers, the bulk carriers, the cargo ships, what is the government doing? There are people who have crossed their contract. They have finished 6 months, 9 months, 12 months. My husband, in fact, he had just been to epicenter, which is New York. From there, he's gone to a second epicenter, which is UK now. But there is nothing done with regards to this fleet. How long are they going to carry on over there working? Something has to come where they have to come back home. So my request, actually the MUI has also done, and our request to the government is, why don't you all identify some hubs, some places like Sri Lanka or Singapore, Rotterdam, where they can come together with different companies. They can come together like different fleets like Notrans or these ships and all other ships. They can come together, have people going there for the on-signers, get them kept in the hotel for some time till the ship comes, and then sign off can be done.
सगळे आमी थोडे सिमेंट हिंगा आतां कांय म्हळ्यार शेंबुरी माय हिंगा एकठांय जाल्ले कारण आमी गोवोरमेंटान हें पड जाता तें बंद करचें कित्याक पयर 166 सिमेंट तेमी आतां बॉम्बे वयले आनी थिंगा तेंगे नेगेटीव मेळ्ळे तेंका नेगेटीव मेळ्ळे ती कंपनीन थिंगाचो इतलो देस्पेस सारी केलो उपरांत गोंय तेंका हाडले गोंय गोवोरमेंटान तेंकां 14 days क्वॉरंटायन केलें हॉटेलान दवरलें आनी 3,000 4,000 सांगले आनी ते कंपनीक गेले तो आमगे मागणी आहाय गोवोरमेंटा कडेन सिमेंटा गेली गोंयकारां तुवें बॉम्बे वचून होणें सिमेंटा सगल्यांक हिंगा डायरेक्ट तुवें गोंय हाडचें आनी गोंय हाडचें गोंय तेंका क्वॉरंटायन करचें आनी पयशे गोवोरमेंटान फारीक करचें नाजाल्यार आमगेलो सिमेंट वेलफेअर फंड आहा आमगे बोटीचे एक लागे म्हयन्याक पयशे काड जाताय तो तितूंतल्यान तेज्यान गोवोरमेंटान तेका रिक्वेस्ट करून तेज्यान मागून जाता.
Ramesh Naik Raut for Goa 365 from Margaon.
The early Dikkarpal villagers have been facing acute problems whenever they come to the fair price shop to collect their quota, as there are 2,000 ration card holders in the village. With the intervention of the local legislator, a decision has been taken by the village panchayat to bifurcate the fair price shop into two, one for Davarli and other for Dikkarpal.
Local legislator Luizino Falero says he has been receiving a lot of complaints from people about being forced to stand in queue for hours, and that too in the hot sun, to collect their ration quota. The bifurcation is expected to help the locals, as ration card holders will be shared by the two fair price shops.
आनीक एक कठीण दिसांक लोकांक एसेन्शियल कमोडिटीज तांदूळ गंव जावं दाल जावं साकर पावप हें सरकाराचें एक पवित्र कर्तव्य, एक जबाबदारी. जरी तर म्हज्या मतदारसंघांत फेर प्रायस शॉप आहा, हांगा जो फेर प्रायस शॉप आहा इज स्मॉल, आनीक हे फेर प्रायस शॉपाक जे रेशन कार्ड होल्डर आहाय ते सुबेज. सो देर हॅड बीन लॉट ऑफ कंप्लेन्ट्स टू द पंचायत. ग्राम सभेन डिसिजन घेयल्लें की हें फेर प्रायस शॉप पंचायता मार्फत जावचें म्हूण, आनी त्या प्रमाणे आयज आमी डिसिजन घेयला की दावोर्ली सेपरेट फेर प्रायस शॉप आनी दिकारपाली सेपरेट फेर प्रायस शॉप, सो दे कॅन गेट द रेशन एट द अर्लिएस्ट. त्या प्रमाणे एटलीस्ट बाय अनदर 2 weeks टायम we will have 2 fair price shops in place of 1 fair price shop.
So आमी दवरली आसा जे आमगे हांगा सकयल हे आसा शॉप लायक केल्ले आसा सगळे थंय आमी तांकां हें करतली, आनी दिकरपालीचे आसा ते मातशें ग्रावंडा सायडीन आमगे हे आसा क्लब हावसा थंय आमी शिफ्ट करतली.
फक्त येवपाचें कितें कोताय खबर ना, पंचायतीन येता वयता कितें चलना पंचायतीन. लोकांगे काम जायना आमी पंचायत कित्याक रे सोमते रिजायन जाय सगळे पंचायतू नाका. आनी आतां MLA सांगून गेलो पळय, आतां हांव म्हणना कोण प्रॉमीस कोण गेलो तो तुमकां दिल ताणें प्रॉमीस, आतां तो खरें ही प्रॉमीस केली ती खरें तो कोतलो काय ना तें खबर ना. हांव म्हाका तर इतले विश्वास ना कोतो म्हूण, जर तर केलें जाल्यार बरें.
Our reporter Sandeep Tuenkar from Madgaon.
With that, we have come to the end of this news bulletin. For more news and updates, log into our website www.go365.tv. Follow us on Facebook, Go365 TV, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, Go365 TV, or download both our Android and iPhone apps to watch it on your mobile. Keep watching.